Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is a great off-campus opportunity from Blackbox. You can see right here, right now, that the Blackbox is hiring for AI engineers interns at Bangalore location. The key responsibilities for this role is data engineering, model integration, backend deployment, front-end integration. You can see right here. You can change according. You can change your resume according to these descriptions. Then you can shortlist easily. Handover knowledge transform, documentation and handovering, data quality assurance and testing protocols, deployment. You know the key requirement skills, technical skills are Python programming, Azure data engineering, backend deployment, testing, soft skills. Like you must have the soft skills, better communication and problem solving test. Here you can able to apply here. The posting dates are from 04/12/2025. Apply before. You must apply before 31st December. Here you can able to apply. You should fill this you should fill all these documents. After filling, you can get an email for